What's up, percussion friends? We are going to play some drums today. This is a little bit different than what the wind players are doing. They're learning how to hold their instruments and play their first notes. We're already kind of at that stage, so I'm going to teach you some more stuff and have you do some things for me that are very specific to what I want in the progression of learning how to play snare drum. I'd like to see you guys do some stuff for me that has to do with, number one, setting your instrument up so that it is at a great height to your body. So, and as I previously mentioned in the last video or last live session when I taught you what to do, you want to make sure that your hands are coming down as a natural extension, not like this. We don't want to play like dinosaurs. We also don't want to play down here like it's floor toms. We want it to be naturally, make a kind of a line that is angled, a pretty low slope, okay, from here to here. Okay. Next thing that I want to see in this video from you is I want to see you guys play single strokes with the correct finger technique, correct grip on the stick, and I want to see you deliberately trying to use fingers when you go to play. Try that real quick. Then when you go to play, feel the stick . Try to go as fast as you can while using your fingers. You're probably not going to be able to play as fast as me at first, and that's fine. Okay, but you want to make sure you're practicing those fingers. Get it as fast as you can. Switch hands. Feel the fingers. I will be honest, I struggle with this left hand and my fingers so much. If there's one thing that I could have fixed when I started learning drums was making sure that I used my fingers really well on my left hand. As you increase your speed, make sure that we don't have anytime this motion where you're moving your hands up and down. All of this motion is coming from slight movements in your wrist and catching with your fingers. I can feel it catching right here. Okay. All right, so once you've done that and shown me that in the video, those two hands going fast, I want to see you do single stroke combinations that is more of an exercise. So I'm going to teach you one right quick that I want you to play for me in the video. I want you to go Did you catch that? Right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right. Okay? Right, 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 left, 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 right. Right, 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 left, 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 right. Okay? Then I want you to show me fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll show you that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, And then right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Okay. Okay. And that whole progression is going to happen together as one drum unit. So let me show it to you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Rewind the video. Watch that a few times. And when you go to execute it for me, and in your video, I want to make sure that you are really focused on fingers and equal sound. If your sound is like this, strong, 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 I barely hitting the drum, I'm so tired. It's like strong, 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 and then that's not going to cut it. We want both to be fairly equal. Okay, make sure they're both equal sounds. When you've done that, you're in a good spot. Try speeding it up. Try making it go even faster. Once you've gotten done with playing through this, you should be on your way to be able to play fast singles. Okay. Great. Anyway, so fast singles are because we're using our fingers when we play. And fast doubles happen because we have fast singles. All right, great guys. Good work, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye for now.